pecans. All right, go. Are we on?
We're on.
All right. Well, we got to move the pecans because we got to show this. How are you?
Good.
Well, Chad.
Yep.
Everybody, this is Chad, and we've got a product for you. I feel like I'm on, was it QVC?
Like an infomercial, yeah.
But we wanted to show you all this product, and this is Chad, and he's going to show you this portable cooktop. All right? Chad, take it away, buddy.
All right. So it's a battery-powered induction burner. So you can use them separately. You can magnetically connect them together. You can have a large cook surface if you want a griddle or flat top, or you can have 4 individual burners.
So these are burners here.
Yep.
Oh, those are burners in the middle.
Look, you can take this, and it's battery cooktop.
Yep.
You can take it and cook it in the back of the car, out on the porch, on a rock in the river. Okay, because
Yep.
I live in a van down by the river. And then you got to hook that right
Yep.
to there, right?
That's what it does. So those magnetically connect.
Oh.
And so that's what powers this. And then the same connectors when you want to charge, or if you want to use it to charge USB devices.
Oh, yeah.
You just snap that on the side. So it's just
Neat.
magnetic, and you can do it from both sides, obviously.
Isn't that, so now
That's
to
kind of
charge
that's
it,
that ASMR sound, right? It snaps on.
Exactly, yeah.
I'll be darned. Now, to charge this up, what do you do?
Yeah, so you can use right now it's kind of like a laptop brick, but it plugs in there a barrel plug, and so you can either plug it into a wall if you have I'll say standard outlets, or if you use 24-volt DC from like a solar array.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Either way. So this is great for off-grid or on-grid, either
And
way.
what is the name of the product?
Chef.
Chef.
Yep.
Chef products.
That's it. It's Chef.
Like that. We are going to feature these right here.
Cool.
Okay? We
Yeah.
can sell them. We'll put them in your off-grid home, regular grid home. We want to be a supplier, dealer, whatever with these.
Yep.
And we're going to turn one on and show you what it does.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's controlled by an app.
Look at this, man. He's got it on his phone.
On his phone.
All right.
Yeah, so you open
Look.
up the app, scan for a device, it's found the device. You do that, and you'll see
Look.
it's got the lights going
Man,
around.
it took the camera there.
Damn, hold on, I have
Look,
to show
man,
it.
look.
And so, like I was telling you guys earlier, it also has some regular lights if you want just white lights. It's got a scale if you need to measure anything food scale wise. And
Oh
then
my gosh, look at that.
Oh, so go back to that scale. That was
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
All right.
So you can it'll
So
weigh
Amanda,
that
yeah.
stuff.
So you know you're going to eat a pound of bacon, Amanda, like you normally do. You can know if you got a pound of bacon in there.
Oh,
Right.
good.
Or-
That's going to be handy to know.
Yeah.
For baking or whatever you
Yeah.
like to do.
She consumes.
But then
a
you
lot.
can also set your power. So if you do a low, you do a medium, a high.
Oh, neat.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the light changes.
The light
hotter it
changes.
gets.
The light kind of tells you, yeah,
Stay away.
it tells you
Red.
it's hot. And then we also have, if you want to do a small pot versus a large number of servings, timer, and then we'll have presets for like recommended temperatures and times. And
Oh, for
stuff
like
that.
things like vegetables and all that stuff that you normally cook.
Well,
Okay.
I'll be-
Yep.
Neat.
So it has a timer. It'll kick off. If you
Correct. Correct.
got- Ain't
So,
that something?
yeah.
But we're gonna cook up
So
some
it's-
butter.
Oh my
lights-
gosh, look at the lights.
The lights are a little crazy right now. They'll normally be red, but that's
Be all red.
Now, does
yeah.
that get hot instantly?
it
Like-
gets hot. It gets warm pretty. I mean, you can put your hand on it. It's
Wow.
it's noticeably warmer than room temperature.
Is it like an induction?
It is.
Okay.
It's an induction.
It's an induction. I got it.
Yeah. So it just you warm up and you can control with your phone. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off from your phone. Right now we have it set up that if you disconnect from Bluetooth,
Yeah.
that it'll from a safety perspective it'll turn off.
And one of the things we just talked about before we got on camera is what kind of pans can you use on there?
Yeah, so anything magnetic, so cast iron, stainless steel that's not the austenitic kind, so not 300 series, the 400 series, but anything that has a magnetic bottom, so even like aluminum or copper that have a magnetic base to them,
Okay, yeah.
those you can do as well.
Okay.
So you can crank this up hot.
You could, yeah, so right now we have, like, for what I have is just one setting, but yeah, that you can crank it up, so you could adjust it from a high, a medium, and a low. You can,
Okay.
we'll also have it set, so instead of doing power, if you want to do a specific temperature,
Mhm.
so you could set a specific temperature, so if you wanted to melt chocolates,
Yeah.
something like that, you could do that.
Do you have to use your phone to operate it?
For right now, it's only phone operated, so there's no
good.
buttons,
Well, that's
and
okay.
it's not requiring any cell signal. It's just proximity to your phone.
And how do you charge it?
How do you
Oh, he
charge?
said.
Yeah, through
Oh, through that, that's
yep.
right,
Yeah.
that's
You plug
right.
in there. Yep.
Okay, and this is, the most you connect together is these two, you don't do more than
So
two.
you got two small burners, and
Uh-huh.
a big burner.
Yeah, so it's
Right.
really, that's a stove, I mean, it's
Look,
basically
yeah.
a stove.
Look, she's heating up, man.
That's amazing, that's
So-
awesome,
Yeah,
Nice.
that is pretty cool. Now,
and it is. I don't know if I mentioned it is water resistant. So like
Oh.
for you're talking about like outdoor use
Yeah.
or whatever.
yeah,
Just caught
Yes.
the rain, so.
Yes, it won't be a big.
it'll be
won't a
fine,
problem. Yep.
that's
Yeah,
great.
there's no. It's all sealed up. So
Man, I was out in Quartzsite in the
Mhm.
desert, and there were a lot of off-grid people living out in the desert.
Yeah.
And you don't have to have, because you got solar. Everybody's got solar. They would rather have this than a gas grill.
Yes.
Because they got to go get it.
Because you
filled.
gotta go find where to fill up the gas.
Oh my
Correct.
gosh!
Yep.
You could even get a solar panel, one
Yes.
small panel,
Mhm.
and you could have an inverter and or a charge controller and charge this thing up.
That is amazing. Now, one of the things that I want to ask, if they buy it, is there any type of warranty that comes with it?
Yeah. So what we'll do is a 1-year manufacturer warranty.
Okay,
Yep.
great.
Look at this, man! I'm gonna cook
Oh,
up.
I'm excited.
Heat
My
on.
dad does this too.
Here.
He puts pecans on there and he salts them.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're really
I've
good.
I've never done the.
You'll
the
have to
pecans.
try it. It's
All right.
really good.
Oh yeah, I learned it from her because she eats a lot of food. Okay, Amanda consumes a lot of
I
calories.
consume a lot
Look
of
here.
calories,
A lot
Chad.
of, hey, it's waterproof. You can just throw that in the sink.
Yeah.
And cook.
Rinse it off.
Well, no, you don't have it on a high setting, right?
No, it's so right. Yeah, for right now, for what we're doing, just a demo purpose, it's just one specific setting. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we can get it hotter.
No, he's
Yeah,
got
it-
one setting on there.
For right now, it's one setting, but
Okay.
it will get as hot as a standard induction.
Got it.
Yeah,
got
so
it, got it.
600 degrees. Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
How new of a product is this?
Yeah.
So it's new. We just did our first public show 2 weeks ago. in Richmond,
Really?
Virginia. Yep. So.
So your company just builds this?
Yep.
Nothing
Yep.
else?
Startup
Nice.
company started a year and a half ago.
Oh my God, that's
Is it your
great.
company?
My company.
Oh,
Oh,
congratulations,
yeah,
Chad.
cool.
That's awesome.
I thought he was just some flea bite, sales guy.
Flea
you know?
bite. Well, Chad's a flea bite. I eat a lot,
Oh,
so there we
God. There
go.
you go. That's awesome.
This is great.
Yeah.
So, what is your website?
So it's newercompany.com. So it's NEWR company spelled out.com.
Okay, and
Yeah.
we'll
Yeah.
actually put it. I'll put a link onto the
The
video. Yeah.
Yeah, listen.
And we're on Instagram as well. I just put one up of us
Oh, good.
cooking sausages the other day.
I'll
Oh,
be.
how
All right,
fun.
so everybody wants to know the punchline. All right.
Yeah.
So they sell for $14.99.
Mhm.
All right. And hey, what did they say? If you use our logo or something like that, you'll get a 10%
Promo code.
Promo code.
Promo code. Randy Jones.
Yeah.
Tiny Homes.
Yeah, but we're gonna offer these at a 10% discount.
Oh, good.
Right now, if you got buying before June, what was it?
Before June, yep.
Before June.
Mhm.
So if you guys want one of these things, we'll knock 10%, $150 off
Oh
of
my
it.
God, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want one, and I just love them. I think they're great.
This is really neat.
I'm talking. You just take it outside.
Oh, how do you store it? Like, if I wanted to put this in the car, is it
Yeah,
just
you can store it wherever.
normal?
If you want to put it in a drawer or a cabinet.
It'd be fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
So there's no probably fear of like it shattering and like it's real
Yeah, so the glass will be like a
like a
tempered
tempered glass.
Yep.
Okay.
You can't play frisbee golf with it, man.
Well, you
That's right.
would, not me, because I'll be busy eating. So
This is. I love this thing.
I do too.
And you
That's
designed
really
this?
neat.
Yep.
It's really sleek.
What
it
got
looks
you into
nice.
doing this? What?
Yeah.
What's your background?
So I did automotive for 11 years, and then got out of that and just started this. And it was kids. I have 4 little kids, so I've had
Aw.
lost some fingerprints and some towels get
Yes.
smoked up, and the microwave covers get melted. So it's like, why do we have to have the stove out all the time
Yes.
when we don't want to use it? So it's like, why can't we put it away like
Yeah.
everything
Yeah.
else?
Right.
So that's how I just broke it down into a burner.
Oh.
Induction is most efficient, battery powered, because that's I'll say that allows it to be really portable,
Yeah.
and then everything's
It
through
saves on energy.
everything's through the app.
Yeah.
So it's you always have your phone with you. It's all you don't need a control panel. You don't need to worry about that. Yeah.
What a great point. But you say that with kids and stuff like that. You put up your blender, you put up your you know, toaster,
Yeah.
all this kind of stuff. You put all that stuff up, so that is really
Well,
smart.
Yeah, so like you
Yeah.
can put you can put here if you touch
Stop. You see how you
if
are?
you touch the actual
Pan,
pan, the
it's
pan's
hot,
hot,
right.
but the
Yeah.
glass isn't hot.
Isn't that cool?
For
That is so great. And
Okay.
what?
and
a-
only where you have the pan is where like the glass is hot, but it's
Yeah.
not really
Right.
as hot as that. So.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
just fits into tiny homes, and of course, tiny homes that are
Yeah.
off grid. So this fits perfect.
Well,
so.
get this. You can hang this on the wall. And
Really?
then Tom and him were talking earlier, if you're coming in at night, you get your phone, click, the light will come on as a night light, entry light for your house.
Oh my
And
gosh!
you turn it on, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
great.
So.
I love it.
Yeah, it got some cool features.
Yeah.
Well, good. So how are you doing on sales? Is everything going good? Is people responding well?
So right now it's pre-order, so we'll be getting into production later this year, and then we'll be doing delivery at the end of the year.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Well,
order it
good.
out before June.
I was gonna turn the white lights on for you. There you go.
Oh, yeah. Hey, let's turn it. I think
There you go. Yeah, turn the light out. Oh, isn't that
A little bit better.
cool? Beautiful.
Operated by your phone, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's cool. You know, the thing is, we had a solar oven, which was really awesome.
Yeah.
And you could cook in it. We had the owner come here.
Yeah,
That's 3 or 4 years ago.
that's been a while.
It's awesome, but you gotta have the sun, right? This, you can charge it up
Yeah,
from the sun later, before, a couple days, whatever.
Yeah.
And you can always have your electricity here.
I love it.
So,
So do you have anything else that's solar in your life, like your home, or you do any kind of solar stuff, or?
No, just I said just the battery side of things, just being
Mhm.
portable as much as possible.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the solar. It's just
Yeah.
haven't got to it yet. That's what
Yeah.
we talked about
yeah.
during the whole 2020.
Yeah.
Just putting solar panels up on the
That's
house
right.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So it's just
Good.
Well, I
I
think
love
it's great.
it. So,
We
give
love
us,
it.
give us a call, email us, say you want the newer stove on any of your homes. You can buy it separately if you'd like.
Mhm.
You don't have to buy a home from us if you want this, but if you buy it from us, you get a 10% discount before June.
Yeah. So is this Randy Jones Incredible Tiny Homes approved?
Yes.
Yes,
I
there
mean,
you go.
I'm cooking my pecans.
I
love
love it.
it. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, good deal. Well,
Thank
thanks
you,
so
buddy.
much, Chad.
Yes, thank
Awesome.
you.
I didn't know he was the owner.
Well, what does that matter?
You know,
You treat
I-
you treat people different.
now I'll talk to him. a
Okay,
little
I
bit
see what we're saying here. All right. Thank you, Chad.
more. All right.
Thank you.
See you
All right,
guys.
bye.
Isn't that awesome?